Your breakfast may look healthy, but it could be the reason you're starving again by 10 a.m. And the strange part? The foods people call light in the morning often train your body to ask for more food, not less. Most people think fullness is about calories. It's not. It starts with the signals your gut sends after the first few bites. And there's a simple 3-ingredient breakfast that works with those signals instead of against them. Because most fast breakfasts hit quick, leave quick, and pull hunger right back in. This one changes the pace. You know this feeling. You wake up trying to be good, so you grab toast, cereal, fruit, or just coffee. It feels clean. It feels disciplined. Then an hour later, you're thinking about snacks, your energy drops, and lunch feels way too far away. That's not weak willpower. That's a bad signal pattern. Here's the real problem. Your first meal either steadies hunger hormones or starts a rebound you spend the rest of the day chasing. And most people miss it because the crash feels normal. There are 3 reasons this breakfast works, and the last one is the part almost nobody talks about. If this already sounds familiar, stay with me. First, the seed that slows everything down. 2 tablespoons of chia looks small, but once chia hits liquid, everything changes. It thickens. That thickness matters because it slows digestion and keeps blood sugar from rising too fast. Real-life example. Compare a sweet granola bar to chia soaked in yogurt. One is gone in minutes. The other keeps talking to your body. That stick-with-you effect helps stretch fullness, and that slower emptying is part of why GLP-1 is linked to feeling satisfied longer. But chia alone is not the trick, and this is why the next part matters even more. Second, the part most breakfasts miss. This is where healthy breakfasts quietly fail. They look clean, but they don't hold you. A protein base with 15 to 20 grams, like Greek yogurt, sends a stronger "we ate" signal than a carb-heavy breakfast. That's the contradiction most people miss. Mini example, a banana smoothie can feel filling for 10 minutes. Yogurt with chia feels different because it moves differently through your body. One simple rule: if breakfast digests like a snack, it will act like one. Now here's the subtle part, but it's also why belly fat often doesn't respond, even when breakfast looks healthy. Third, the sweet part people get wrong. Not juice, not dried fruit, whole berries. Why? Because now you add water, fiber, and volume without turning breakfast into a sugar rush. This is the part people get backwards. They think sweet means energy, but whole berries slow the meal down instead of speeding it up. Here's where it all changes. The yogurt starts the "I'm full" signal. The chia thickens and slows stomach emptying. The berries add bulk and fiber without making the meal race through you. So your body stops reading breakfast as a spike and starts reading it as fuel. That means a slower rise, a softer drop, and a longer "I'm good" signal through the morning. That's the shift. Not less food, same food, different message. So the 3 simple steps are: 1. Start with a protein base like Greek yogurt. 2. Add chia and let it thicken. 3. Top with whole berries, not sugary extras. Your body isn't broken. It's responding to signals. And once breakfast stops pushing hunger forward, the rest of the day gets easier. In the next video, I'll show you the healthy topping that cancels this whole effect before noon.